Hi, and welcome to 2227 Bonnington in beautiful Fairwinds. This is a lifestyle purchase, folks. You are close to the wellness center, which is just an amazing facility here in Fairwinds. You're close to the golf course. You're a short stroll to the marina. We have a great restaurant culture here in Fairwinds now. All kinds of opportunity to socialize and really enjoy life. Come on in, take a look at this one-level rancher home. I think you're going to be delighted.